What's up guys? So today I'm going to be showing you the best spot to grind money in this game called Go Fishing. So first you're going to spawn your boats and go to the Stormbreak Island over here. You are going to want to go over here to this spot where these crystals are, this cave. But you are going to need 30 million to enter here. So I'll show you how to get to 30 million fast. And make sure you get your stats like this, but not exactly like this. You can have a little bit lower stats, but I'm just going to show you the best place to grind so you can get to 30 million fast. So if you have good stats, I'd recommend to grind at Mansion Island. Or if not that, you can go to Shipwreck Island. So I'm going to show you the top 3 that I recommend most. So I'd go over to grind at Mansion Island. If you have like stats. Like this. So Mansion Island over here is number 3. I'd recommend. And the Shipwreck Island over here is my number 2nd pick. If you have like good stats. It's all pretty insane, but so this right here, good fish, sells a lot to get to 30 million fast. This one fish sells for 100,000, so yeah. Alright, but the number 1 spot I'd recommend to grind at is gonna be Rough-Water Island. You can also AFK grind to get to 30 million. Because there is auto fish over here, you don't need a macro. So over here, these fish are also very easy to catch if you have that. So yeah, and then once you get to 30 million, I'm going to show you how OP this spot is. You can get in the millions so fast and level up. Like, I was on like level 500 just like an hour ago, and now I'm on like level 1000, so this is really good XP grinding and money grinding. So like I have 7 billion cash right now, but there is going to be some crazy levels in here, like, yeah, so it's like insane. But alright, I'm going to show you how insane this spot is to grind, but this is not like the only one that's OP to grind. Okay, I'm just going to show you how much this one fish is worth. Not this one that I'm selling right now. Dang, that one goes 600,000. Alright, this one 1 million for one fish. And this is just the beginner island in level 2. So this spot's very OP to grind. And grinding money here is super fast if you have like great stats. So spawn in your boat. Oh, and there will be like a boat chase. I don't know what you get, but boat chase, I might do that here. Okay. So over here, I recommend spawning cave for like really good money. And easy fish. This fish sells for 1.1 million. There's other fish. There's fish here that could sell for like 300 million for one fish. I AFK grinded here while I ate dinner, and I made like $6 billion. There's some grinding there, but you know what? I might do the boat chase right now. I have like 47 bucks. I have a very fast boat. Oh, I see it. Oh my gosh, this thing is kind of fast, bro. I don't know how to do that, but yeah, there's a fun boat chase and banana bay. I don't think I can fish here yet. Yeah, I think it's a little hard. This has very hard fish to catch. Oh, and if you're struggling for fish, turn on autofish, because that's really good for like doing all this other stuff. So yeah, I think it's a little too hard. Oh my, yeah, it's way too hard. But I recommend doing those two spots. If you have good stuff, then go to Ice Mountain Shores or Island of Enchantments. That one, I believe, is like okay to grind money, but I think that one's good for XP. I don't know, but Snowy Island, you make good money here, so like. So this one fish is 1.39 million. But yeah, so hope you guys enjoy that and to make money fast and go fishing. So